Hi and welcome to our new tutorials in Inventor 2016 Level 1. I started my Inventor 2016 and this is a new look where we can have several dialog boxes here. This is a new dialog box. We can start our part drawing assembly. This is projects. If you have already worked on projects, you can select your project from here, and here it will be seen the parts or assemblies that you worked for. You can close them like this. First of all, we are metric users, so we have to set our part and assembly and presentation to be in metric. You can go to this button, configure, and choose millimeter and ISO as default templates. I already choose them. You click OK and everything will be fine. Before I started any working on Inventor, I prefer to make a project file where all my work will be stored there. So I'll go to projects from here and go to new, single user project. Next, I'll give my project a name, for example Inventor 2016 tutorials, and here you can store your project file wherever you wish. I prefer to store it on E drive, and here I'll make a new folder and I'll name it the same, Inventor 2016 tutorials, and hit OK. You'll see that your work will stored in E and folder in this name, and then click finish. My project is active. I'll click done, and now I'm working on my here in the projects. It's listed already, Inventor 2016 tutorials, and with a sign that it's active. What will work on? A simple piece. This is my first exercise. Square tool holder. We'll create the 3D model of the part, and then we'll go to drawing and have our drawing. Of course, when we started to draw or to create a model of any part, we have to study our part and know from where to start, where to end. Looking to this part, it will be easy to start with the front view. So we'll sketch our front view without this fillet and extrude it by 50. So we have 100 by 40, and here we have 46, going down 6, and close. Let us get started. I'll go back to my Inventor. I click part. Here, this is the part. From here I'll click on 2D sketch, check on my YZ plane, and start sketching. Let us memorize what we'll do. So we'll sketch this shape. Okay, I'll sketch it roughly first, and then I'll give it some dimensions. Line from here without any dimension. I just make it horizontal. Can you see the signs? Horizontal, vertical. Okay, 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 and go down. It's perpendicular. Okay, up here, down. It's too easy. Here and close. Can you see the gulfs? These we told them gulfs. Okay, what do we have? We have this one and this one and this one are the same size, so I'll give an equal geometric constraint. This one equals to this one. Okay, existing. This one equals to this one. Okay, and this one equals to this one. Okay, let us give some dimensions. I have dimension from here to here equals to 100, and it's automatically gives us a suitable dimension for all the other parts. This is what's good in our new versions of Inventor. And the height is 40. From here to here is 40. From here to here it's 6 millimeters, and this one is 18. I don't need to give this one because we gave them, let's say, equal constraint. And the other thing is what? Let us take a look. We have 10 between them. Okay, and here this size is 10. Okay, let us give this dimension to be automatically give 36. If you accept, it will be a driven dimension because we gave it this one equals to this segment, equal to this segment, and equal to 6. The 40 minus 6 equals to 34. It's a driven dimension. If we make this dimension more bigger, it will be by itself changed. For example, 46. Can you see? Okay, so I'll take it back to 40. Sorry, 40. And I prefer to put my drawings and connect them with the start point. So I'll use the constant constraint. I'll take the middle of this base and constrain it here. I'll finish my sketch now. This is my sketch, and I'll extrude it by 50. Yeah, here's the width, it's 50. So I'll extrude from both sides by 50. When I extrude from both sides, I have something in mind, because I'll use a mirror and I can use the origin. I'll hit OK now, and I'll show you. Here we have the origin planes, so I can use them anytime I need them. This one is in the middle, this one in the bottom, and this one is in the middle of my part. That's why I extrude it from both sides. I'll hit save for this moment, and I'll name it by square tool holder, and I'll hit save. This way we came to our first part of our tutorial. See you in next videos.